How to use secret Netflix code to search any content. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for netflix-codes.com/. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view various codes. Netflix offers secret genre codes to help users quickly find specific categories of content. These codes unlock niche genres not always visible on Netflix's main interface. You can use them by entering the specific code into a URL on a web browser. Note that some codes may not work in your region due to content availability. Make sure that codes are best accessed with a web browser. They may not be supported on the Netflix app. So, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for netflix.com. Now, copy any of the codes of the genre you want to see and then tap on the search bar in Netflix and paste the code there. You will then be shown with all the options based on the code genre that you searched for. So this is how you can use secret Netflix codes to search any content. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.